Everybody, hope you're doing well, staying healthy and happy. Today's video is all about the RiderScan, this piece right here. So I installed it a little different than what they recommended. So they recommend putting these 3M onto your actual windshield. That's the proper way to install it. But like everything I do, I prefer to use zip ties, just in case I don't like it or I need to change it or something. So if you see in here, I just zip tied it behind the cord there, part of my windshield, and just zip tied it to the bottom there. So I tied the RiderScan through that loop and then through the part of my mirror right here. So I didn't use the 3M tape, but this is just a different way to install it. And then if you are going to install it using the 3M tape, RiderScan sends you an Allen wrench and you can tighten it up and this kind of moves back and forth. You adjust it to how you like it. So the instructions are very easy to install. So I didn't do a whole install on it. It's pretty self-explanatory if you ask me. What I'm doing is I want to take it for a ride and show you guys what I think of this. It goes for roughly $58 on Amazon. So I want to see, is it worth the $50 to spend almost $60 for this thing? So I think personally it's priced a little bit high for what it is, but safety to me has no price. So I'm gonna test it out and I'll talk you through my first ride with my RiderScan. And here is the product information. Just go to RiderScan.com. It's out of the UK, and you can order directly through Amazon or directly through them. So I chose Amazon. But anyway, so let's take it out for a ride and see how it does. Okay, let's test it out. So my first impression of the RiderScan is that it is it's a little distracting when you first put it on, because you have a tendency to kind of keep looking at it instead of, you know, looking right out the windshield. I'm having a tendency to kind of keep looking down and see what's going on. It does have an incredible view. Like, it is, I mean, it says it has a 180-degree view and it is just crazy. So I'm really enjoying the view. I'm not sure if it should be up higher, but then all I see is me. So first impression is I like it. I find it a little bit distracting, not disorienting, just distracting. I'm also curious for my vlogs. Actually, the main reason why I bought this is for my vlogs. I'm curious if you guys like this view when I'm riding. I know a lot of YouTubers, they have a second camera mounted on the windshield facing them, and they do this whole split screen thing where you can see their helmet and then you could also see what they're looking at. So I thought for the $58, $59 that this cost, maybe that gives you guys that same riding impression. I'm gonna try to ride with my, I'll keep my helmet closed even though it's hot. So I'm curious if you guys like this view of me using the RiderScan, so you can kind of see me as I'm riding. And let me know what your thoughts are. I'm probably going to pause here for a second, so get out of here and get on a busier road. Okay, so I'm on a 3-lane road, 3 lanes each direction, or turning lanes as well. So I'm sitting here at a red light and you can see the cars coming through on either side. It's very cool. It definitely doesn't take the place of actually turning your head around, of course, and but it really does eliminate any kind of like little blind spots that you might have on the bike. So I'm gonna try to get ahead of this traffic a little bit, so you can get a better view of what I see when I'm in it. So yeah, my first impression is it's very cool. Is it worth $58? I don't know. I feel like there's cheaper ones out there, but this one I think was, you know, the way this kind of curves and it fits your windshield. I like things that are kind of made for the bike versus trying to jerry-rig something that's not really made for the bike, but you can make it work. So, but I'm all about saving money. So if someone has a cheaper version of this that they'd like to post on here, I'm all ears. I'm sure everyone would like that. I can't get ahead of this traffic. All right, let me see what I can do here. So you'll see the cars coming up on my left over here. I mean, it's just really quite good. But yeah, I mean, I like, if I find a cool product, I like to put it out there and test it out on the actual bike. I've seen a lot of other videos on RiderScan, and it's kind of people sitting in their driveway with it, but I like to kind of get it out and test it. So there you go. Hopefully you get enough view. I mean, I'm seeing traffic all the way on the other side of the road, the other 3 lanes. So here's some traffic here. Hopefully we'll get a better view. So you can see this car over here, this gold car, is 2 lanes away from me. So that's pretty cool. So see how, oh, they're moving over now, but that's how good the view is. Hopefully the camera's picking up directly on the RiderScan. 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 I'll put the link below in case you're interested. So this truck, this gray truck behind me would normally be in my blind spot right now, but I can still see him. So I'm very happy. 2 thumbs up. All right, leave your comments and anything you'd like below, and let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys have a RiderScan and if you like it, let us know. If you don't like it, let us know. This is what this channel is all about. Everyone's opinions matter. And that's it. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. And I'll see you next time. This is just a quick product review. And I'll see you next week.